Hey Paperlovers, welcome by a new YouTube video for Bramble Fox. It's Josephine with another process video for today on YouTube, and I decided to make another fall layout with a beautiful collection from Paige Evans, Bungalow Lane. And here I decided with design papers I want behind the photo, and it's a little puzzling how which design paper I want first, second and third. And when I think that I think I have the best combination of papers, I decided to cut them to size and ruffle the edges with my distress etcher, and with some adhesive tape, adhesive tape, I put them behind the photo. And then we're going to decorate my page further with all the beautiful embellishments, and of course the beautiful Bramble Fox perspectives that I use on this fall layout. Here I ruffle the edges with my distress etcher, but you can use your scissor as well. And I use adhesive tape and 3D foam to hold all my design papers together behind the photo. And the reason that I use 3D foam is you can slide easily your die cuts between the paper layers, and that is how I create layers on my layouts. And from the flowers I rough the edges as well, and I bent the petals a little bit, and I made a big flower cluster, a big cluster from flowers and leaves from the Paige Evans collection, and the title is Family. And of course I use more perspectives on this layout because the perspectives are such a great extra element on your pages. And yes, you can say I'm totally in love with this beautiful perspective from Bramble Fox. So here again I ruffled the edges of the flowers, and I made a big cluster and put my photo on top. I love to layer with my flowers and leaves, and some leaves I stitch with some gold thread by using my sewing machine. And when all the flowers and leaves are in place, I use some beautiful perspectives on this layout. I use the word family. It's a beautiful, elegant font, and the word remember. It's my granny with my oldest daughter, and a few years. She passed away, but this photo is just so precious to me, uh, and I love this beautiful picture in the woods near by her house. And this is how I remember my granny. So she is such a lovely granny for me and for my children, and it's a beautiful picture that I always be remember. So it's this picture is taken when it was autumn, so I used light pink autumn perspectives, and the word family is because we are family. And I think this beautiful and elegant perspectives font fits perfect on this beautiful and lovely scrapbook layout. I cut some triangles from the design papers from the Paige Hoeven collection Bungalow Lane, and I placed them randomly on my scrapbook page. So I glue my perspectives by using glossy accent, and glossy accent held my perspectives perfect in place. So it's almost time for the big title family. And here I place some more triangles on my page, and I rough the edges with my distress etcher, and with some 3D foam I place triangles under the cluster. Picked some random wet strips from the collection from Paige Evans, and I placed them randomly on my scrapbook layout, and use a fine point pen to make black lines around the wet strips. And with some adhesive tape I placed them on top of my cluster of flowers and leaves. Here I splatter a little bit with my white acrylic paint, mixed with a little bit of water, and with my watercolor pencil I splash around the white splatters on the leaves and the flowers, and a little bit on the picture as well. And at the end I decided to add a little bit more colored splatters, and I use distress oxides for that, and the colors that I use are a distress oxide, the color walnut stain, and the worn lipstick, and I mix it with a little bit of water as well and splatter around with my watercolor brush. So I want to thank you for watching my process video, and I hope you get some great ideas how to use your perspectives on your pages. And of course, don't forget to check the Bramble Fox Facebook group for more beautiful inspiration. And just take a look what you can do with these beautiful perspectives. And on the shop, on the web shop, there are a lot of new goodies, so don't forget to check the shop as well. So again, I want to thank you for watching, and I wish you a beautiful and crafty day, and hope to see you next time on YouTube. For now, bye bye.